You'll know on the fourth day that something is, and mostly that means you're messed up. So boxes, you guys can place it around the circle. Don't worry about where you place it, just keep it. And the 8 mm holes which we have drilled need to be covered with a screw cap. Sarah, it's you.
Yeah?
Okay.
Should I open it now?
Yeah, open it. You can cut it up.
That. Yeah, that way. Beautiful. It really is like Christmas.
Huh?
Oh wow. This is from all the guys at the factory.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sarah and Richie. We've never met. You don't know us. We don't even have a third-degree connection on LinkedIn. You don't follow us. We don't follow you. We've never spent a night in New York by the Out Factory. Why, you haven't even seen one yet. You've placed your trust in us, and all of us are very grateful for that. It inspires us. We hope your yurt is always full of light, warmth, joy, and laughter, right up to the rafters and dome. As for us, we'll do our damnedest best to build the world's best yurts, so that when the world talks of the Out Factory yurts, you can proudly say, I have the Out Factory's first yurt in the USA. Oh, that's awesome. Look, it has all the signatures.
Yeah.
Everybody signed it.
Yeah, thank you.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
What a great touch. I'm excited about this.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll do a little construction tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Going up.
All right. Cool. Thanks.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you, guys.
Are you looking for a photo?
Yeah, you want us down there?
Sorry? Yeah, we'll do
You
photo.
want to take a photo?
We'll do a photo.